Cleaning your TAP PAP nasal pillow mask is easy. Under normal conditions, it is recommended that after each use, rinse the mouthpiece with cold water. Do not use hot water in any part of the cleaning process, as this could alter the fit of the mouthpiece. Wipe off the pillows of any residue with a damp cloth. Now, on a weekly basis, fill your sink with lukewarm water that contains a mild, non-scented soap such as ivory liquid. Rinse all components, including the mouthpiece, nasal pillow seals, mask frame, headgear, and chin strap, if used, for no longer than 10 minutes. Refrain from using any soap that contains moisturizers, antibacterial, antiseptic, alcohol, bleach, or chlorine agents. Thoroughly rinse with cold water to remove all soap residues, and then place the components on a towel to air dry out of direct sunlight. Before use, reassemble the mask. Always check for any damaged components that may need to be replaced for proper function. Check that the vent holes are clear and free of any obstruction.